my name is Gultan Babayeva and I'm from Ganja. Ganja is it was a capital of Azerbaijan before the Baku, so it's very old city. So one of the oldest cities in Azerbaijan and also in Eurasia. So the year it's 4,000 years old. Can you imagine? Like it's for 4,000 years. So I can say like it's also staying in the way of Silk Way, like on the road of Silk Way. Also there is, for the statistic of 2011, the people living in Ganja, there was like 336, like 336,100 people. There is like 48 people, percent of people were men and 51 women. It's the capital of European Union, youth capital for 2016, and it's very dynamic city, very beautiful with its nature, with its gardens, grape gardens, and so on. It also stays on 442 meters above the sea level. I can say like in the past we really had some problems with the activities we should to do, and then my classmates, my friends all around, we decided to create something or to find something to do in the city, because we didn't have enough places for example, to play something or to have picnics and to watch movies. We decided to get some organizations to gather together, young organizations, and did some picnics a little bit far from the city center. So by the bicycles, riding bicycles and so on. It's kind of, we try to develop our free time spending. It's a little bit difficult for girls, was in the past. For now it's also developing. It was difficult for them to go out late, for example, or I don't know, even to walk alone. Yeah, we have a lot of places for having fun now. Also, a lot of foreigners, tourists are here. We can have any interesting time with them, showing our country, our city, especially our traditions, and so on. This is one of the oldest cities, like I told before. It had a good situation, geographical situation. It's one of the rich cities. Also, we have a lot of tourists. Economical, it's really good. Also, like the nature is good, the weather is good. It's more healthier to live in Ganja because there is no too much pollution. The study is really also good. We have some like big organizations, NGOs, like really the EVS programs. Our people, like our youths, can go anywhere they want. We are EVS programs. So in the past when I studied at school, it was not too easy. But as soon as I get university in Baku, I learned that there is too much opportunities now to get from Ganja. Really clever teachers also all around the schools, like our schools. Even in other cities, they told like how you learned English. But it's really, we had really good teachers at English and so on. To focus on youth, to make a really good surrounding to their free time spending, for their studies, for their having fun also, because just study is not the good way of being productive. If you can do everything all together, it's really good. Also, I can say like about job opportunities, like we can also work here, study here. You have really good chance to be like very active youth. Being a European Union youth capital, Ganja can offer also the environment, like the government cares about the youth. We have really good and clever youth in the good positions. They even send from the government to any other countries abroad to introduce themselves, also their city and so on. There is really good projects in our city from the past till now and still continuing. In the last 2 years, as soon as we get this status of being in future YOS capital, there was built a lot of places for us. Also, we had good sport conditions, gymnastic halls and so on. But now it's better, and the number of these gymnastics halls also increased. From the past, most tourists came to Ganja firstly. Also abroad, when we told about any city or about Azerbaijan, they even didn't know about that. But when you tell Ganja, oh, Ganja, it's like this, I was shocked. But you don't know Azerbaijan, but you know Ganja. Firstly, the most people from all over the world, they know they have someone from Ganja, like a friend or so on. And tourists mostly visit Ganja in spite of capital, instead of Baku.